I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house. I am setting goals for the future. I am setting goals for the future. I am attending a workshop. I am attending a workshop. I am listening to a podcast. I am listening to a podcast. I am writing a story. I am writing a story. I am exploring local attractions. I am exploring local attractions. I am enjoying a night out. I am enjoying a night out. I am taking a moment to relax. I am taking a moment to relax. I am reviewing my notes. I am reviewing my notes. I am enjoying a picnic. I am enjoying a picnic. I am taking a nap. I am taking a nap. I am signing up for a class. I am signing up for a class. I am sharing my thoughts. I am sharing my thoughts. I am catching up with friends. I am catching up with friends. I am collecting stamps. I am collecting stamps. I am feeding the birds. I am feeding the birds. I am sorting through old clothes. I am sorting through old clothes. I am repairing my computer. I am repairing my computer. I am practicing my pronunciation. I am practicing my pronunciation. I am hosting a game night. I am hosting a game night. I am learning to cook. I am learning to cook. I am volunteering for a charity. I am volunteering for a charity. I am joining a book club. I am joining a book club. I am fostering my creativity. I am fostering my creativity. I am exploring the internet. I am exploring the internet. I am attending yoga classes. I am attending yoga classes. I am making plans for the weekend. I am making plans for the weekend. I am enjoying a bubble bath. I am enjoying a bubble bath. I am testing a new recipe. I am testing a new recipe. I am practicing my drawing skills. I am practicing my drawing skills. I am organizing a fundraiser. I am organizing a fundraiser. I am taking care of my plants. I am taking care of my plants. I am watching the news. I am watching the news. I am researching a topic. I am researching a topic. I am discussing ideas with colleagues. I am discussing ideas with colleagues. I am practicing mindfulness. I am practicing mindfulness. I am getting ready for a trip. I am getting ready for a trip. I am engaging in community service. I am engaging in community service. I am trying out a new hairstyle. I am trying out a new hairstyle. I am engaging in fitness training. I am engaging in fitness training. I am enjoying the sunset. I am enjoying the sunset. I am exploring. I am exploring. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am running. I am running. I am dreaming. I am dreaming. I am planning a weekend getaway to the mountains, eager to disconnect and immerse myself in nature. I am planning a weekend getaway to the mountains, eager to disconnect and immerse myself in nature. I am playing. I am playing.